KHK Gears, Kohara Gear Industry, is a leading manufacturer of stock gears handling production including products such as spur gears, helical gears, bevel gears, worm gear, miter gear, screw gears, and rack and pinion are main products in which KHK hold exclusivity. Spur gear used in machine tool industry where a number of teeth dependent on usage of teeth grinding. Helical gear used in food industry wherein helical gears differ significantly in terms of helix angle, twisting direction reference cross-section of gear. As with spur gears, there are numerous variations in terms of tooth count and module, material, presence or absence of polishing and quenching. Miter gear used in automobile industry wherein miter gears are a type of bevel gear made up of two bevel gears that have the same number of teeth and a pitch surface angle of 45 degrees. Bevel gear used in power plant which are conical gears that transmit motion between intersecting axes, two axes that intersect at one point. They are classified as straight bevel gears with straight tooth traces and spiral bevel gears. Plastic gear used in medical equipment industry have the advantages of being lightweight, non-rusting, quiet, injection molding allowing low cost and large production, and being able to operate without lubrication by mating with metal gears. KHK gear rack used in aerospace industry are enormous gears with infinitely radial pitch cylinders that are used to convert rotating motion into linear motion. Thank you for watching us. Please visit us on www.seimitsu.in for more assistance.